Working in Excel, you'll know how easy it is to overlook stuff, like formulas that fail to run along the full length of the table next to it, or inconsistently applied cell formatting. That's because Excel is all about numbers, but humans are visual creatures. So let's make Excel visual. It's easier to spot patterns when you temporarily color cells based on their various characteristics. For example, let's make all the formulas blue and all data cells yellow. Now what's that data cell doing there? What about calculation consistency, giving every unique formula its own color? If the multitude of highlight modes don't quite suffice, simply jump over to the custom section and enter what you're looking for. Make your life easier with the PerfectXL Highlighter. Book a free demo today.